Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Sally Hansen Rose Flush. And here it is. This is an Insta Dry from Sally Hansen and it is Rose Flush. I can't get it to show up on camera. So here we go with this beautiful polish. It is a matte polish. I do end up showing pictures of it on its own in the matte form. But then I'm going to show it glossy because y'all know I'm a glossy girl. And here we go with the second coat. And I'm telling you, this polish had a great formula. And I love the color. It's kind of like a golden peach or something to me. I love it. Gotta get Woody out here. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Get some cleanup going on. Alrighty, here it is in its matte form. It's gorgeous. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get it to dry down so that we can do some stamping, because that's what I'm here for. And today I'll be reverse stamping. This will be, I guess, my official first for real fall manicure. I can tell you, though, that I am not done with the neons. I didn't do enough of them this year, so you'll be seeing them. And there it is, glossy. Here is Cici and Sisi 03, and I'm going to be using this little leaf image right here. I'll be using another image on this plate later on. But I'm going to do some reverse stamping with On the Black from Braves Diva. And then we've got these CoverGirl polishes. We've got Inferno, Sulphur Blaze, and Rogue Red. I almost break these out every fall because they're just, to me, they're the perfect fall shimmer polishes. I mean, I always have to do a leaf mani with them. So I picked the image up on one stamper and I've cleaned the plate with pure acetone. And I'm going to pop in and I'm going to make one more copy of this onto a stamper. Get my stuff all together. And then I'm going to use like the little leaf image. It's just got 3 leaf petals on it. Petals, whatever. You know what I mean. So I'm going to take a piece of tape and get up the excess. And then we're going to do that one more time. And I am going to show y'all me filling in all of these today. That's why the video is a little bit longer. I just decided, you know, because this is the way I do it. I kind of start with one color and go through the stamper so that that blob I've got sitting out on my mat doesn't get dried out. I don't have to refresh it. So if I just like bump through all the stampers with one color and then roll back through with the next color, it just seems more, you know, more better. So we've got some on there, and then we're going to do this one. And I am moving the colors. I'm not putting the same colors on the same leaves all over. I'm moving them around on all of the stampers. So once again, they'll be cohesive, but not matchy-matchy. And I don't have a problem with matchy-matchy. It's just, you know, I don't know. I like doing things differently and kind of moving things around. That way, if I don't line it up just perfectly and the same design don't end up in the same spot on a nail, to me it just, I don't know, for some reason it looks better. Crazy as that might sound. So we're just using a little dotting tool and going into all these with the red. I start with the red, and when I move to the yellow, everything starts popping. And here we go with the yellow. Yellow is so pretty. Those golden yellow leaves. And to me, this polish is just perfect for filling in leaf colors. I couldn't even tell you how old it is. I know it's probably not on any store shelves anywhere. But if you ever find it in a D-stash or a dusty bin at some drugstore, grab them because they're just amazing for this. But since these are hard to find, just find some kind of metallic-y, foily, flaky looking little polishes in your collection. They would work just fine. There we go. And I have sped this up quite a bit on this part because, like I said, I'm showing all of it and it could be rather long if I show every single bit of it at normal speed. So there we go. Now we're going to pop on into the orange. And the orange does look, or I don't know, one when you get it on the stamper, one looks more orangey red, and the other one looks kind of like a plummy red. So I'm calling this one orange. But once it goes on the stamper, it does look definitely different. And I really loved this manicure. I'm really not really looking forward to fall so much, but you know, only because I live here in the South and they're spraying all the cotton fields and soybean fields to make the cotton, you know, bloom and easy to get. So that's why I don't look forward to it. But I'm using that Super Dry from the Dollar Tree as my tacky base today. You don't have to do this, but I just got tired of fighting with stuff. And my nail polish was really dry, so I was worried about them not sticking good. I just prefer to go ahead and do that step. A lot of people don't do it. I just, to save heartache and anguish, I just go ahead and just use a sticky, some sort of sticky base. And I've got Woody out here helping me today with my decal cleanup. Excuse me. See, them cotton fields, I'm telling you, they spray that mess, and it just jacks my sinuses all up. Now that I've got some of the bigger bits kind of broke off, I'm going in with my cleanup brush. I'm going to tap across the end, and I'm going to definitely get those sides, get them all straightened out. And there we go. I'm just kind of mushing that up underneath, and then I just rub and tap and wipe until, you know, it's not a big clump under my nail. And then I go back across the edge just to make sure it's nice and smooth. Don't want no lumpy, bumpy thing up under my nail down there. And these are going to come alive with this smudge-free top coat right here. This just, oh, it brings the colors out so much. And I will be using Poshe as my final top coat today. This seals it all in and makes it a mani that could last. And I really did like this one. I thought it was pretty cool. So I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. And we'll, you know, talk about it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.